Yo, what's up, fam? This is your goddamn Tanna from Tanna Does Tech, and this here is my unboxing and review of the Srhthym NC25 Bluetooth wireless headphones. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, shout out to Srhthym for sending me another pair of headphones to review. They already sent me the NC25s. Man, click on the card above to see the video for that one and everything. You're gonna enjoy it, and I love those headphones. So I'm really interested in seeing what these are about. So enough of me yapping. Let's get to unpacking. Let's go. All right, everybody, let's take a tour of the box and everything. Right there, you see the Srhthym branding with the headphone schematic schema drawing right there and everything. And right there in the front, it says the wireless active noise canceling headphones. So that's what's up. See the Bluetooth symbol right there with the ANC for the noise canceling. Then on the side of the box right here, product number NC25 and everything. Then the Srhthym branding. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then on the back of the box, it's got the specifications and everything, which is pretty damn cool. You know what I'm saying? So it has a nice range, you know what I'm saying, of 20 to 20 kilohertz and everything. So that means this right here can pick up some lows and everything and some crispy highs.
And you know this, man.
So man, let me go ahead and take the top off this boy and see what's up with this. Let's get it. All right, gotta slide the box on out, you know what I'm saying? Damn it, the hell, do I have to cut something? No, I don't have to cut nothing, but let me go ahead. Unboxing struggles, and I just cut my damn nails. Let me take it back here and unbox this boy real quick. Try to get this boy unboxed. All right, cool, here we go. Yes, indeed, got one side up, so you know it's promising. All right. Damn it, boy. Get on out of there. See, he didn't even want to come out. These headphones didn't even want to come out.
What?
They're shy. All right, cool. This is a very, very good look, especially for the price. No question about it. The price is listed right here and whatever. So you know it's very affordable and everything. It comes with this protective nylon case, covered case and everything. Very nice touch. Let me go ahead and do the unzipping of this right here. Move this box on out the damn way. Man, move it over there. All right. Let's get the unzipping. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, all right, all right. Very nicely packed. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got the documentation right here. Got the instructions right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got the Srhthym warranty on deck and a guarantee, which is a good look. And here are the headphones. Man, I am impressed with this packaging. But, oh, wait a minute. Before I get to the headphones, here are the wires that come with the headphones. Let me bust these boys open out the package and everything. This is some of my favorite parts of unboxing and everything. There's the 1/8 inch cable, excuse me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The aux cord. And here's the USB charger. Yes, indeed. The micro USB charger is right there. And right here, I don't know what the hell this goes to, but this is the mystery dual prong. I'm gonna go ahead and Google this and find out what the hell this goes to. I'm just saying. I'm glad they got it though. It's better to have more stuff than less. All right, let me go ahead and pull these headphones out the wrapping and everything. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ah, that's nice. Nice matte finish. I'm liking these already. And they're already on. You see that LED light right there? Yes, indeed. Power is on deck, which is a good look. And they fold out that way. No question about it. Man, light headphones and everything. Beautiful matte finish. These boys are sick.
That's right.
Man, oh man, oh man. Navigation buttons right there. Power button right there. The noise canceling button right there. The press it and whatever, which is pretty damn cool. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then at the bottom, you got the micro USB charger port to go ahead and charge the device. Then, what I'm really feeling about these headphones is the matte finish and the chrome rim right there. That looks good. And peeps, as far as the cups and everything, the material around here, you know, we're really concerned about this because if you're gonna wear these for a long period of time or whatever, you definitely want some comfortable ear cuffs. These are, man, these are so soft and plush. Very good, no doubt about it. But up to the rim right here, to me, this is the one that matters right here because I hate when these be too hard and they hurt your damn head. But these right here, made out of a leatherette material, very soft. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very comfortable. Also with some more chrome accents right there. Pretty damn dope. Now, on the other ear cup right here, nothing at all. It's okay. So it's minimalist and everything. Man, then on the headband right there, you got the Srhthym branding. Man, very good. Damn, these are kind of lit. These boys right here got some sauce. And there's the right labeling right there, the R for right, and the left labeling right there. On the NC25s, it's right here on the cups, but it's cool, as long as they got the labeling. So I'm about to go ahead and do a sound check for these and let you guys know what's up. All right, everybody, here we go. All right, family, there I am, listening to the intro, some 2 Chainz and everything. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Ready for the drums to drop. So far, I'm listening to the highs and the mids. Well, the highs aren't as sharp as I like them, aren't as crisp or anything like that. The mids are there, but they're kind of in the mud range of things, you know what I'm saying? So things aren't as bright as I like it, you know what I'm saying? There's the drums are in there. Okay. These don't have the most bass in the world, you know what I'm saying? These are some mid-range heavy headphones. So if you're looking for some bass like that, some heavy bass, these ain't the headphones for you. But if you're listening to alternative rock or something like that or pop, these might do you some justice. But when you're listening to hip hop or R&B or something with some heavy bass, now these headphones ain't gonna do it for you, you know what I'm saying? Well, all right, everybody, let me go ahead and give you my final assessment of the NC25s. Let's go. Well, okay, I'm finna tell you the things that I like about these headphones first. I'm loving the design of them. I'm loving the weight, loving the ear cushions. These are some very comfortable headphones, no question about it. I'm loving the noise canceling technology in here. Pretty damn dope. I'm loving the layout of the skip track buttons and the play button and stop button and whatever. I'm liking that. I'm liking that these were easy to pair, no question about it. I'm loving the packaging. The way these were packaged were pretty damn good for the price point. I'm loving that. As far as the sound goes, what I'm liking, well, I was able to hear everything in the song that I listened to and everything, which is pretty damn good. Now let's get to the things that I wasn't so much feeling about these phones. Basically, the only thing I'm not feeling about these headphones is the sound quality. I mean, I'm a bass head and I like crisp highs and nice, beautiful mids. You know what I'm saying? I'm an audiophile to my heart. This is what I do. I'm a sound engineer and producer. The highs weren't as crisp as I liked them, and the lows, they were there, but they weren't. You know what I'm saying? They were definitely in the mid-range and drowned out and kind of smothered. The mids were there and everything, but they were in the mud range also. The highs were quite dull. I was quite disappointed with the sound of these headphones. As beautiful as they are, if y'all come out with some NC35s or something, please improve the high frequency and, man, put some more lows, put some more bass in these headphones. Also, these aren't the loudest pair of headphones in the world. The volume was kind of low and everything. I got a couple pair of earbuds that's louder than these earphones right here, these headphones right here. And that's bad, you know what I'm saying? Especially with the size of these headphones right here. These are supposed to be loud as I don't know what or something, you know? I'm walking outside with these or whatever. I still can hear people outside talking while my music is playing. That's unacceptable. So that's a no-go as far as the sound. So my final assessment. Do these headphones here get the Dan Tanna stamp of approval? Nah, I can't do it, Joe. No, sir. No, sir. Well, all right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up because that's official. Yes, sir, yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanna, then do that too because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.